All right, bulldozer tracks. Now, like I said, we didn't have all of them. We're missing some. And I was looking around for something to use, and I found this belt drive that I scavenged out of an old printer. And I don't know if you can see, if we can get a focus on that. It's actually not bad looking for track. So here's what I did. Cut it in strip. It was trickier to attach than I thought, but so here's the bulldozer. Check it out. They don't look bad. Now you can see where I joined on the bottom, but if it's going to be sitting here like that, you won't see that. They're a little tight, I think, but they look pretty good. And basically, I had to figure out some kind of a measurement to how long the track should be. And then I experimented with melting it and super gluing it. And I found that if I melted it flat first, then I could wrap it around. I could join it, hold it with pliers with super glue, and then it would stay. And to do that, that's why that rubber band is on there. I put it in the vise, upside down with a rubber band on here. And then I hold it, I pinch it like this, and then I come in with my plier. It's got super glue on it. I come in, I hold it with my pliers for a little bit, and then we have, I hold it, pinch it, right? And then we've got tracks that are good enough. These tracks are going to be good enough. I think they might actually work too, yeah. But that's good. And what we're trying to do is we need to start stacking these very small successes. Every day, little by little, we've got to stack small successes. Because there's a chance that we're going to do that. I don't know if you can see what that is, but that is an Ambroid kit. It's a box of sticks. We might attempt that. I don't want to make a 200-day project, but by stacking these small successes, we build up enough energy that we can tackle a big project. So doing these little bulldozers and things is very beneficial for your skill and for your mindset before you tackle something big. And get you in the right frame of mind and get your skills going. And then you can remain calm while working on something really hard.